The AI industry right now is a two-tier system. There's the tier where you pay $20 for ChatGPT+, $20 for Claude Pro, $20 for Gemini. And then there's the tier where you pay $200 for the real stuff. But the platform I am giving you today ignores that system. It gives you access to the most advanced models like Claude Opus 4.8, GPT-5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro completely free without credit card, nor phone number, nor tricks. The platform free tier is genuinely generous. Normally, you get 5,000 credits on sign-up, but there's a method to push that to 7,200 credits. Step 1. Go to the link I will send you and click Get Started. Sign up with Google or Microsoft and continue the sync to register. Step 2. After that, we continue with these windows normally. Here we click on Close. A new window will appear. We click on Continue, and here we click on Skip in this window. Then here we click on any option, and then we click on Continue. Step 3. When the onboarding screen hits you with questions about what you want to build, select every option, all of them. You will get 100 credit for each and 700 credit in total. Step 4. When they ask you to connect third-party services, choose any service and you will get 500 credit for each app you link. I will choose, for example, Gmail to link it, and then choose your Google account and agree to the permission. And here you get 500 credit. I will do the same to get 1,500 credit. Pretty easy credit. Step 5. They'll ask about Slack. Skip it. You don't need it. And that's it. You're done. Your account lands with 7,200 credits already loaded and ready to burn. What models this unlock? The list is absurd. Claude Opus 4.8, the most capable reasoning model in the world right now. GPT-5.5 for professional-grade intelligence. Gemini 3.1 Pro. DeepSeek V4 Flash and V4 Pro and even Kimi K2.6. All of them available inside the workflow canvas or through their AI agent chat. That's for today's video. Subscribe to the channel and comment done, and I will send you the link in the comments to register. Peace.